Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript type assertion. Type assertion in TypeScript is a way to tell the compiler, trust me, I know what I am doing. It allows you to override the default type inference and specify a particular type of a variable. First, we are going to see about angle bracket syntax. This is how the angle bracket syntax looks like. Next, I am going to show you another syntax as syntax. For that length, variable name, any. This is now I'm going to show the example for angle bracket syntax. Let message now if I run this, see I'm getting 12. Next we are going to see the as syntax. We can take the same example with little bit changes. Message here we want to use as string. We are taking message as a string dot length. In the above example, any message is type any, so TypeScript does not know its type. By using type assertion, we are telling TypeScript to consider any message is as a string. This allows us to assess the length property of the string. Now, if I run this after saving, See, we are getting 12. Like this, we use as syntax. The type assertion in TypeScript is useful when you know more about a value than TypeScript does. It is a way to tell the compiler that you have performed a type check and to treat the variable as being of a different type. Thank you.